this is another video on graphing an exponential function, this time where the base of the power, in this case the 0.34, is less than 1. It's between 0 and 1. And so this function, exponential functions with a positive coefficient like a 5 and a base of 0.34, that's going to be a decreasing function. And this picture down here, this little graphic, is it looks as an increasing, but also exponential functions decrease. So let's go ahead and make another, we'll make another table. And so we'll use, let's try a few points this time. So there's my x and my y. And I'll let x be 0 again. And of course, 0.34 to the 0 power, 5 times 0.34 to the 0 power is equal to, equals, that's a 4 there, is 5 times 1, which is 5. And then if we do 5 times 0.34 to the first power, do that on the calculator, I'll just go 5 times 0.34, obviously. That is 1.7. So 1 and 1.7. And then I'll do it to the second power. So I'll just put in 5 times 0.34 squared, and that gives me 0.578. So 0 point, or just 0.578. You can see those numbers are getting smaller, right? It's a decreasing function. So we get 0.5. At that point, oh, I'm going to go down and click on this. Let's see. I don't want to be drawing anymore. So if we exit our drawing, we'll lose our 0 and 5 and 1 and 1.7. So we'll just try those. So 0.5 is our vertical intercept. I kind of missed that there. I'm going to clear that. 0.5 right there. Oops, I missed it again. Right there. And then 1.7. Now, this looks like it's about 1.5, 1.4. That's about 1.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It maybe goes by about 1. Little clicks, 9, 8, 7. Something like 1.5, 6. Something right about there. Now, if I got a little high, let's say I do it a little high, it probably won't like that. Let me see. If I do it on the high end of 1.7, that's not very close. Now, I know the ordered pair is at the vertical intercept is 0.5, but this, I think I've missed the mark. So let's see what happens if I submit that. Notice it gives me a, it's red, it has an X there. This one's checked fine, but this one didn't work. So I'll do that again, 0.5, and I clearly missed it that time. 0.5, and then 1 and about 1.7. I think it's a little lower. It doesn't look perfect, but let's see if that one worked. 0, and there we get credit. Okay, so that'll give us full credit for that one. Okay, I hope that you found that helpful.